Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a 2017 GMC Acadia. This vehicle is powered by the 3.6 liter V6, mated to the 8-speed automatic transmission. On the interior of this beautiful Acadia, we do have the leather-wrapped steering wheel with your cruise control buttons on one side and your dash controls on the other. This is a used vehicle, so it does have 60,228 kilometers on it, but nevertheless, fully detailed, fully inspected, ready for its new owner, ready to be moved on here. Beautiful car, very well taken care of, as you can see. Beautiful 8-inch touchscreen for your audio, navigation, and climate controls buttons, heated front seats as well, and you do have this beautiful shift knob there for your 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive in this vehicle. Beautiful black leather interior, black leather seats with the silver stitching as well. This Acadia does come with the 20-inch wheel and tire package, as you see here. It is an SLT, so it is quite equipped. It comes with some luxuries here. You do see the chrome badging. The SLT Acadia badging is chrome, and around the front 2 windows there as well. You do have the dual chrome exhaust tips coming out the rear as well, and the hidden hitch under the back bumper. Back in the interior here, you have the second captain's chairs, both heated as well, and they both are leather. You can see the heat controls and the temperature controls for the rear, dual USB outlets, and 120 volt outlet. You have LED lighting, secondary sunroof, and in the rear here, both seats are folded down, but that is a 60-40 split. But this is a great demonstration to show you how much room is really in the back of your Acadia. Thank you for watching this brief walk-around video on this 2017 GMC Acadia SLT. We hope you come down and take it for a test drive down at GSL Gym City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.